Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to unpin on X. Okay, so let's go to X application on my phone, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen, and in the side menu go to your profile. Now at the top of your page you should see your pinned post, and in order to unpin it you want to tap three-dot button next to it and select option unpin from profile, and of course complete the action by tapping unpin button. As you can see, it immediately disappears from the top of my page, and that indicates that I have successfully unpinned it from my profile. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.